Hello everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today we have an exciting tutorial for you, how to create a 30-day UDP server account for faster internet speeds and set it up on the HTTP Custom VPN app. If you're looking for a seamless and speedy internet connection, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and type Custom UDP Community in the search bar. Hit enter and look for the official Custom UDP Community website in the search results. Click on it to get started. Once you're on the home page, find the menu button, usually located in the top corner. Click it to reveal a list of options. The menu is shown, and 30-day UDP server is clicked. From the menu, click on 30-day UDP server, then select 30-day UDP custom server. You'll be redirected to the account creation page. Here, enter a username, complete the CAPTCHA, and click Create Now. Within seconds, your 30-day server details will be generated and displayed. Click the Copy Server Info button to save these details to your clipboard. Make sure to paste them into a note on your device for future use. Now that we have our 30-day server details, let's set it up on the HTTP Custom VPN app. If you don't have the app installed, head over to your device's Play Store, search for HTTP Custom, and download the latest version. Once the app is installed, open it and you'll land on the home page. Here's what you need to do. First, check the SSL box at the top. Then, in the SSH fields, enter the IP, port, username, and shared key you copied earlier. After filling in the details, click the Start button to connect. Within moments, you'll have a secure and fast web connection. And there you have it. We've successfully created a 30-day UDP server and set it up on HTTP Custom VPN. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.